So now we are starting with section B of paper Chem 202 theory. We are starting with the chapter of P block elements. So the elements belonging to groups 13 to 18, they constitute P block elements. Now these are the elements of group 13: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. These are their symbols, and we all, as you may know, that this is the electronic configuration, outermost electron that enters the p orbital, and these are the atomic numbers. Now, what are the basic characteristics of elements of group 13? First is their atomic and their ionic radii. What are the features of atomic and ionic radii? Now, the atomic and ionic radii of group 13 elements are smaller as compared to corresponding elements of group 2. Now, if we compare group 13 elements with elements of group 2, their atomic and ionic radii is smaller. Obviously, this will be small because there is increase in nuclear charge as we move from group 2 to 13. Obviously, nuclear charge is increasing, atomic number increases as we move from group 2 to 13 in the same period. And on moving down the group, both atomic and ionic radii are expected to increase due to the addition of new shells. Obviously, the size of atomic and ionic radii that will increase as we move down the group because there is increase in the principal quantum number. But there is one exception here. The atomic radii of aluminium is more than that of gallium. So as we move down the group, we know as what happens. You know what happens as we move down the group. The size that increases. But here, the size of aluminium that is more than that of gallium. It should have been opposite. Gallium का size ज़्यादा होना चाहिए था aluminium से, but the size of gallium is smaller than that of aluminium, and the reason behind is this that the atomic number you can see इसका 13 है, इसका 31 है. So in between there is a whole transition series. Transition block elements are there in between, जिनमें d orbitals भी होते हैं. There are d orbitals और d orbitals हैं वो गैलियम में भी होते हैं. गैलियम में 10d इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं और इनकी वजह से क्या होता है, ड्यू टू दीज d orbitals they have very poor shielding effect because of their poor penetration effect, and they have diffused shapes, due to which उनका जो shielding effect है that is not much. Their shielding effect is not proper. They have poor shielding effect, and therefore effective nuclear charge in case of gallium is more. So the outermost जो electron है that experiences more pull as compared to in case of aluminium. उसमें तो d electrons are not there. So because of more effective nuclear charge, the size of gallium that is smaller as compared to that of aluminium. Or you can say that atomic and ionic radii of gallium that is smaller as compared to that of aluminium. So next property which we have is melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling points, both as we move down the group, the melting and boiling points, they both decrease in case of these group 13 elements. Then next we have ionization enthalpy. Now what happens? Ionization enthalpy. If we compare ionization enthalpy of these group 13 elements with corresponding alkaline earth metals, if we compare them, then they have less ionization enthalpy as compared to first ionization enthalpy. The first ionization energy or first ionization enthalpy of group 13 elements is less than that of corresponding alkaline earth metals. Now, this is due to the fact that last electron enters in p orbital as general electronic configuration is ns2np1. ns2np1 is the general electronic configuration of group 13 elements. You can check out their electronic configuration. So यहाँ पे देखिए last electron जो है it enters p orbital and the removal of electron will lead to noble gas configuration. अगर मैं यहाँ से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव कर देती हूँ then it will lead to a very stable ns2 structure आ जाएगा, stable electronic configuration आपको मिल जाएगी. And so what happens, this ionization enthalpy is lower while in case of जो alkaline earth metals हैं, अगर उनसे हम last electron जो remove होता है that is removed from their s orbital, उनका ns2 तक होता that is removed from s orbital and that is difficult to remove क्योंकि s जो orbital होता है उसका penetration power भी more होता है as compared to p orbital. So first ionization energy of these group 13 elements is less as compared to alkaline earth metals और reason यही है कि इसमें electron जो होता है group 13 में p orbital से remove होता है while in case of alkaline earth metals from s orbital we have to remove the electron which is difficult because it is difficult to remove electron from s orbital due to their higher penetration power. However, their second and third ionization enthalpies in case of group 13 elements are very high because now again the case comes the electrons are to be removed from s orbital and it is difficult to remove electrons from s orbital. Now here also there is one exception. Now ionization enthalpy of gallium is unexpectedly higher than aluminium. I know you know this is the reason is same क्योंकि जो gallium का जो structure है that is smaller, इसका ionic और atomic radii is smaller as compared to that of aluminium and you know the reason because of d electrons. Gallium में there are 10 d electrons and d electrons have very poor shielding effect as compared to s and p orbitals. Therefore, effective nuclear charge in case of gallium is more. The outermost इसमें electron है that is held more tightly by the nucleus because of poor shielding effect of d electrons, d orbital electrons. तो उस वजह से while this is not the case in aluminium ये सब नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं होता, इसमें d electrons नहीं है, तो there is no question of poor shielding effect. Therefore, the size of gallium is smaller than aluminium as a result of effective nuclear charge. Again, is more because effective nuclear charge is more in gallium than aluminium due to which ionization energy in case of gallium that is higher. Then next we have oxidation states. +3 is the most common oxidation state. Obviously, you can see आप इसकी electronic configuration देख सकते हो group 13 elements की ns2 np1. So +3 is going to be the most common oxidation state. Boron shows consistent +3 oxidation state except boron +1 oxidation state becomes more common as we move from boron to thallium. In thallium +1 oxidation state is more stable. So we will study क्या reason है behind this. Then first of all we will go through the oxidation states. Then we have gallium. Gallium shows +2 oxidation state in some compounds like gallium chloride, while others Ga positive, GaCl4 negative. It has gallium. This gallium is in +1 oxidation state and this gallium has +3 oxidation state. Now why this happens कि जैसे ही हम boron से we move towards down the group, +1 oxidation state that becomes more prevalent. वो ज़्यादा prevalent हो जाती है. Thallium is one compound group 13 में which shows predominantly the +1 oxidation state. So what is the reason? The reason is inert pair effect. Inert pair effect. What is inert pair effect? The elements of group 13 have 3 electrons in their valence shell ns2 np1. Therefore, they have +3 oxidation state. As they have +3 oxidation state because 3 valence electrons हैं. But as we move down the group, +1 oxidation becomes more stable. This is due to inert pair effect. What is inert pair effect? After the removal of electron from p orbital, the remaining ns2 electrons do not take part in compound formation and behave like stable noble gas. जब आप एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां से रिमूव कर देते हो तो इसको क्या हो जाता है, इसकी जो ऑर्बिटल्स हैं वो टोटली फिल्ड हो जाते हैं. s ऑर्बिटल है, रेस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल, ऑल द ऑर्बिटल्स दे बिकम टोटली फिल्ड और इसकी स्टेबल नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ये एक्वायर कर लेता है. व्हेन वी रिमूव इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम p ऑर्बिटल, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, these two remaining electrons, they are reluctant to take part in compound formation because they have already achieved their noble gas configuration. Now this reluctance of s electrons to s electron pair to take part in chemical combination, this is called as inert pair effect.